ito pang mature talaga to na kuan. Pero kahit yung hindi mature, pwede rin yung ma-mature na. So, panoorin po inyo ngayong May 27 at sa ating mga sinihan. Kaya, supportan niyo po ang pelikulang ito. You're Still the One.
Okay.
I want it.
Thank you. And of course, Direct Chris, please.
Yun, May 27 po. Iba naman from Regal Film Star Cinema. Iba naman, hindi siya the usual, no? So, abangan po ninyo.
Thank you, Direct. Parang ganda-ganda. Very interesting ang trailer.
Yes.
Thank you. And of course, Sir Richard Yap, please.
Yes, thank you for supporting us and being here today. And May 27 po, please tell everyone that You're Still the One is going to be shown already. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you, Sir Chief. And of course, Ma Salvador, please, Match.
Yes, maraming salamat po ulit sa pagpunta. Sana nga po, tulungan niyo kami on May 27 na ipagkalat ang itong magandang pelikula para ma-share naman namin kung bakit ba dapat hindi paghintayin ng pag-ibig. Kung bakit ba dapat hindi pinapatagal or pinaghihintay ang iyong the one. So, sa May 27 na po, You're Still the One. It's under Star Cinema and Regal Film.
Ba't parang in love ka, Match?
I am. Yun yung title ng album ko.
Okay. And of course, Dennis Trillo.
Ayun, salamat po ulit sa inyo. Malapit na po palabas yung pelikula namin sa May 27 na po. Inaasahan po namin yung suporta ninyong lahat. Sana po tulungan niyo kami promote yung pelikula. And itong pelikulang to mag-i-inspire sa inyong umibig at mas lalong pahalagahan yung mga mahal sa buhay. Kaya supportahan po natin.
Thanks, Dennis. And of course, from Star Cinema and Regal Films, thank you po on a Saturday you spend time with us. Thank you so much, our dear friends, for being here. Thank you so much. Have a good afternoon.